Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Future Tech today. We're diving into an innovation that's about to redefine the way we look at deliveries. This is the captivating story of an incredible invention that's poised to revolutionize package delivery. Forever stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be convinced that this drone is set to change everything. The problem with traditional delivery: picture this. You're craving a delicious meal from your favorite restaurant, or urgently need a medical supply. You place an order and wait. And wait! Those big noisy delivery trucks are notorious for traffic congestion, pollution, and slow delivery times. Enter Zipline's revolutionary drone system. But what if I told you that there's a solution? A company named Zipline has developed a game-changing drone system that's not only faster and more efficient, but also nearly silent. Imagine a drone gently descending from the sky, delivering your package within minutes. It's like teleportation, and Zipline is making it a reality. The whisper quiet delivery: these drones are unlike anything you've seen before. They're not only capable of delivering packages quickly, but also with an astonishing level of precision. The key to their success lies in their revolutionary propeller design, inspired by the silent flight of hummingbirds. The birth of Zipline's journey began over a decade ago, driven by a relentless pursuit of innovation. Founded by a team of visionary engineers, including Abdul, a Rwandan native who turned his passion for engineering into a life-saving mission. Their goal was to create a delivery system that's not just efficient, but also helps save lives in remote areas. Life-saving deliveries in Rwanda. Transforming lives in Rwanda. Now let's take a trip to Rwanda, where Zipline's innovation is transforming lives in unimaginable ways. In Rwanda, Zipline's drones have transformed medical deliveries. They've mastered the art of rapid deployment, delivering critical supplies to remote hospitals and saving lives. With their unique launch and retrieval systems, these drones navigate through challenging conditions with unparalleled efficiency. Thanks to Zipline's efforts, maternal mortality rates have dropped significantly, and remote communities now have access to urgent medical supplies. A peek behind the scene. But how do they do it? The magic lies in their state-of-the-art headquarters, where innovation and testing go hand in hand. Zipline engineers relentlessly iterate and experiment to fine-tune their drones, ensuring maximum reliability and safety. Every flight, every delivery is backed by meticulous research and development, pushing the boundaries of technology to transform lives. The fusion of engineering brilliance and unwavering dedication allows these drones to soar silently through the sky, revolutionizing the way we think about transportation and saving lives along the way. The Zipline story is a testament to the power of human ingenuity, making the seemingly impossible possible. Short-range city delivery drones. Zipline's ambitions don't stop with long-range deliveries. They're venturing into city deliveries too, aiming to transform how we receive packages. Imagine receiving your online order within minutes, delivered quietly and efficiently by a drone. Zipline is set to make this vision a reality. A bright future of delivery. The future of delivery is here, and it's brought to you by Zipline, with the power to revolutionize healthcare delivery, reduce traffic congestion, and minimize environmental impact. These drones are rewriting the rules of logistics. Imagine a world where life-saving medications, everyday essentials, and even a quick lunch are just a drone's flight away. Inspiring the next generation, shaping tomorrow through innovation. Zipline's influence extends well beyond its technological achievements. The story of Abdul exemplifies how the company is igniting inspiration in the younger generation. This impact goes beyond revolutionizing package delivery. It's about molding the future. Zipline is a beacon of engineering and innovation, kindling the spirit of problem-solving in individuals worldwide. Their endeavors reveal that the power of transformational technology is infectious, fostering a new wave of thinkers who will shape our world tomorrow. Through Abdul's journey and countless others, Zipline not only delivers packages, but also delivers hope, propelling young minds to believe in the magic of science and the possibilities it holds. So there you have it, the incredible story of Zipline and their revolutionary drones that are set to change everything from life-saving deliveries in Rwanda to transforming how packages are delivered in our cities. Zipline is leading the charge. As we move forward, let's remember that innovation knows no bounds, and each one of us has the power to make a difference. If you're as fascinated by the world of tech and innovation as I am, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more inspiring stories like this one. Thanks for watching. That's a wrap on today's video. If you enjoyed learning about Zipline's amazing drones, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on the future of technology. Until next time, keep dreaming big and embracing the power of innovation.